Koka, welcome to my food channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Sabudana Khichdi. This is my favorite recipe because it needs very less ingredients, very quick recipe. Also it is wholesome and flavorsome, so do check this video. And I see some people finding it difficult or challenging while making this particular dish, as either it gets too sticky or sometimes it gets too hard. So I'll be sharing some of my tips which will help you out in making this particular recipe in a much more easier and simpler manner. So do check this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and in case if you want to see more such videos coming in, subscribe. Thank you.